Thank you for tuning in. I'm Ilia from Beamreach Cloud. The topic of this video is Transit Gateway. Today I'm talking about centralized networking solution that simplifies connection between multiple VPCs even if they're in different cloud providers and on-premise networks. Whether you're following best practices or not, or maybe just creating your first project in the cloud, chances are you will at some point have multiple VPCs with multiple subnets, and you will need to connect those with each other. The simple solution to achieve this is peering connection. It's a one-to-one connection between two VPCs that are not conflicting in terms of IP ranges and allows routing traffic in between those two. However, as the number of virtual networks increases, so does the number of peering connections. And really, at some point, the one-to-one networking solution becomes a bottleneck. It also poses maintainability challenge. And that's exactly where the concept of transit gateway comes in. Instead of connecting virtual networks one by one or one to one, with a transit gateway, you connect every network to a central hub, and then the central hub takes care of routing all the networks to and from those connected virtual networks. Let me describe this again. Instead of one-to-one connection, all VPCs connect to a single gateway, and most of the routing is done automatically within that gateway. It's basically like connecting a bunch of PCs into a hub to have a LAN party. This concept is implemented in the three main cloud providers with different names: AWS Transit Gateway, Azure VNet Gateway, and Google Cloud Router. You can set it up in 3 steps. Make sure network masks are not in conflict. 2. Create the gateway resource in the cloud of choice. 3. Add VPC attachments to the gateway. I personally recommend using a configuration as code tool such as Terraform. That will do the job nicely. On top of cloud networks, Transit Gateway can also be used to connect to on-premises network through an attachment to a direct connection location. Transit Gateway is a powerful tool at the core of many successful network setups. It brings scalability to a multi-VPC environments without complication and should be used often. Thank you for listening.